Good job blowing bubbles, Sophia. I'm super impressed. You're doing good. Blow like you were before. You were doing so good. Yeah, can you kick your legs? Kick, 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 kick. Are you going to go down the slide?
No.
Not right now.
A pool.
Play in the water?
No, pool.
Oh, in the pool, yeah.
Oh.
Don't drink it, right? Yeah, bubbles. Good job.
Yay!
Say yay.
Yay! Oh, wow. I just see
You get your fishy? Mm-hmm. What's that? His eye? What's it called? Fishy, yeah. Is he blowing bubbles in the water? Oh, is that what the fish is doing too? You better go get him. Careful. You can get it. Keep trying. All right, I'll get him.
Wow.
Try again. You can do it. There you go.